Hello and welcome back to my channel, MX Farm TZ. In this video I'm gonna show you the biggest problem with a KTM 450 bike. We are at VASSO Farm Enduro, and this is practice day. As you can see, I have just entered the track, and I'm slowly making my way around some obstacles. Struggling a bit here. Need to get my footing right. This is never seen before footage of practice day. You can view the race day footage in the link in the description. The spectators are not at all impressed. Not off to a good start. The spectators still not impressed. Just rookie mistake. Let's keep going. I've decided not to cut the video so that you can see how the bike is moving, and then later on the bike just shuts off on me. I spent almost 30 minutes trying to get the bike to start again. I couldn't find what the problem is on the track. I got the bike to start at the end and drove it back to the pits. As you can see, I was taking it easy, checking out the track, but also saving energy for a fast lap on the second round. This is where the expert section starts. Experts turn left. Intermediates continue right.
This is fucking ridiculous. Oh my god, so slippery. If it rains here, we're still tired from that crash. My god. That happens in the race. There's no moving. Oh my god. Can you imagine other people? Oh, fuck this. It's too high. Need to lower the suspension. I can't put my leg down.
So far the bike is still performing good. Just be complaining about the log section. This is VASSO Enduro, one of the toughest enduro races in Tanzania. When it rains, this is one of the gnarliest sections of the track. bike performing normally. No misfire, nothing at all. Now we're getting closer to where the bike shuts off. This part of the track is more high speed. Now here is where the trouble starts. I take this corner slowly, and as I'm trying to accelerate up the hill, I lose all power from the bike, and then the bike finally dies and shuts off.
I just died. So
And the fuse?
just turned off.
Did you check the
And now,
starter?
no, there's no power.
Check the fuse.
Yeah, I know, that's why it's hard to reach.
What about the other one?
Just check that fuse.
The fuse looks okay.
In terms of fucking wiring.
Getting to it is another story.
Thing.
Let's keep going slowly.
Ah, it's so tight.
Yo,
Hey man,
Vipi?
mzima tu.
Eh.
Na nacheki fuse.
Pole.
It's okay.
Boy, nashuka hapa sasa hivi.
Nimebeba tenti ya kisenge kitajaa maji ndani.
Hatari.
Silicone I say.
Naam?
Lazima uweke silicone.
Wewe ndeka silikoni wapi? Nini shida kai?
Sijui man. Hata monduli nimenizima katikati ya mashindano.
Mbalisha gari pikipiki.
Tumeendesha sana hii. Nimebadilisha pikipiki? Ya sasa hivi natumia hii.
Okay, sasa mko niendelee tuonana.
Haya poa. Dude, just climbing full throttle. Wow.
That's what happened to me, man.
Umeme tu. Kama siku ile.
Sounds like my issue, though.
There's just no power coming from the rectifier. We don't have spanners here.
Should I go get some tools or what? Because it's about to start shitting it down raining, bro.
I'm gonna just go backwards. I think it's shorter this way, isn't it?
Yeah, this way. If you keep walking straight, just go in the
No, bro, I'm far away. I gotta get this started. Even if it's misfiring. Sometimes, I think in Monduli, this is what I did. I kicked it.
Kick it again, bro. One big one.
And then it just started. And then I continued the race. Like nothing happened.
It wants to start.
I just have to carry that.
I'll take it, bro.
It's not gonna start like this.
You need tools, man. Because otherwise what I can do is I can get Khalid's car. And put it on the car.
I'm so far away.
Dude, we're like at the furthest point away from the pits.
Like a number 8. I need to carry tools next time.
Bro, I don't even have a camel bag.
This exhaust feels like it's flimsy. Sorry man for keeping you waiting.
So I just wanna... Have you tried to disconnect the fuel pump? Not the fuel pump. This nozzle here.
Yeah,
You've disconnected, reconnected it?
yeah.
What happens when you you give it some gas when
it just turns off. And where's the choke? Why is the choke so hidden?
My choke is on the left side. Yeah, let me get you some tools, brother.
Just get it with the bike. I need a number 8 spanner.
Oh, Kevin, listen, let me leave you my phone.
Number 8 box.
Let me leave you my phone so you can communicate with us. The password is about to die, but the password is...
Dude, I'm not gonna go backwards. If I ever push it, or if I ever start it, I'll just continue the track.
Okay.
I would recommend you just give me a number 8. Number
Do you
8?
need the phone or not?
No, number 8 and a plier.
Number 8 and plier.
Like a T, you know, you have to get out the seat. Don't give me a fixed 8.
Okay.
You need to open the seat and the tank.
So you need the ratchet basically.
Yeah, even that's fine.